That's my wife standing there in the background. It gives you an idea of just how big that one tree is and some of the damage that occurred in the backyard. We had boarded up some windows and taped other windows and tied back trees that we thought might come down and hit the house. We got lucky. None of the trees hit the house. No damage occurred. A lot of the trees just snapped like toothpicks. Gloria came with wind speeds of 85 miles per hour and gusts up to 115 miles per hour. The largest tree was uprooted and it measured 30 inches across. On Long Island, 1.5 million people were without power for up to 1 week. I'll never forget Gloria, but I'm glad that she's gone.